What's up, guys? I just bought this one, a compressor, portable compressor. They call it here is Einhell. Einhell. Oh, what the hell? It's a German technology. I don't know where it is made, but it's there, the website. You can check out on their website, but I just bought here in the Roy Merlin, oil free, and it's got 10 years warranty. You see that? Whoa, 10-year warranty. That's why I'm so amazed that when I've seen this one, this is the cheapest one in the market now. And I bought this separately long time ago, I think. Because I'm planning to have that one compressor. It's been a long time I'm dreaming to have that piece. There's a lot of use on it to clean the engine, to clean everywhere inside. You can blow it up, everything inside, and you can use to put the air on the. This is the actual picture in the front. You got to open now, guys, to see what is in there. Actually, so difficult to open if we got only one hand to use to open the box. You see, here are the open box. Here's the pressure gauge. Oh yeah, 97 dB compressor. You see, it's there in Germany. Yeah, it's from Germany. Yeah, nice. It's not in China. Oh man, nice. Because the one that I see there is what do you call that one? The yellow one. Oh, I don't want to tell the brand because I'm not paid with that. It's made in China, man, that one. This is the cheapest in the market. That one is cost and more heavy. This one is so lighter. And they are the same specification there. They are the same specification. And there we go. Plug in there. And we're gonna try it now to see if this working all the way. Alright, man. Guys, thank you for watching. Oh, it's a lot of mess inside my booth. You see, I have a lot of things. I got a toolbox. This one is an medical kit. In case of emergency, I have to put in all what is to be needed there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And you see now my new compact compressor. Bye. Here is now, guys. We have to try this compressor. First run. We have to test it. How it goes. Now we have to switch on the power. You see, it's auto stop. It will stop now, and pressure It's full now in the tank. Sorry guys for the very moving camera. So when it goes to 8 bar, it will auto stop. You see, that is an 8 bar now. This is only 8 bar maximum. So we have to use now you see, 8 bar. When it goes to 6, if I use it now, the air, and it goes to 6, it will auto start the compressor. This is how it goes now with this compressor. Nice. Yeah, we have to move this knob to the maximum level. How fast it can go. More faster. Nice, nice. I like it. Here it goes. This is the one that we have now today. Alright guys, that is how this compressor works now. Now I have something to use it now. If I need something to clean or blow or clean the engine bay of my car. Also, you can use it inside to blow up all dust. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.